Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make Magwinya, whatever you call them in your language. Please comment down below and let me know what you... Oh, Jesus. Please comment down below and let me know what you call Magwinya in your language or in your area. I know here Babita Magwinya, Klex Dopoke Machuchu, and so forth. This is 8 cups of flour. I'm gonna add 1 packet of yeast, which is equals to 10 grams. I'm also gonna add some salt. Never mind, this is salt in here. I think this is about a teaspoon. I'm gonna add about 4 or 5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add the last or 2. I like mine a little bit on the sweet side, so that's about 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white sugar if you have. Okay, 6.5. A bit more salt. And then mix it all together. That is 3 cups of water. If I need more, then I'm gonna add more. Warm water, that is. If I need more, I'm gonna keep adding by cup. Okay guys, my phone overheated, so you didn't see me knead, but I added 4.5 cups of water, warm water, and then I did knead my dough a little bit. I'm gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna continue to add my margarine. 5 minutes, I'm going to add my margarine. You can use salted or unsalted butter. If you use salted butter, then I suggest that you shy away from adding salt. You can add a little bit, but not a lot. Fair enough. Yeah. You can go ahead and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of your margarine or butter. And then we're going to knead it into the dough. Don't worry guys, sometimes it will seem like it's falling apart and it's not coming together, but you just need a little bit of patience, honey, and continue to knead. Okay guys, so I'm going to transfer it in here, and then I'm gonna smear some oil so that it doesn't stick once it's risen. Okay, that's my dough. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil on top. Well, I did add a little bit too much because I poured from the bottom and it kind of spilled just a little. So yeah, I'm gonna close this and put it in the sun for about an hour or two until it risen, and we're gonna continue honey. Beautiful guys. Going to add some oil to my pot to preheat. I'm gonna oil my hands guys, and then I think my oil is ready now. I'm gonna try to make a cute ball like that. And then we're gonna go to the stove. Oh. There's the first one. Try not to overcrowd the pot guys, so that they have room to breathe and expand. Hey guys, so we're done. They're not the same size, but honey is the taste that matters, okay? Maybe. Beautiful. Let us taste, guys. They're so good, guys. Not too sweet, not too salty. the texture, the butter. Yeah, I mean the margarine gives it such a lovely taste as well. Nice and golden brown. Ooh. If you want it a little bit more sweet, you can always add a little bit more of sugar. That's it, guys. Please subscribe, like the video if you're gonna try the recipe. Comment down below and show me some love, and I'll show you back some love, and I will see you on the next one.